So WiME is short for Women into Manufacturing and Engineering. It's based here in the Humber, and it's here to inspire girls and women to consider careers in manufacturing and engineering, because they're fabulous careers, they're just not always known about. Greenport have been amazing in supporting WiME. We started this programme back in 2016, and they were there from the start, giving us access to meeting spaces, introducing to people like the Department of Works and Pensions, to the National Careers Service, and helping us to engage with companies around the Humber. A huge impact has been getting the voice of women in the Humber heard. They're out in manufacturing and engineering careers, but their voices weren't seen, heard or known about, so their career stories were pretty invisible. What Greenport have helped us do is showcase the companies and the women working there, not just in Hull, but also in the East Riding and out in Grimsby and Scunthorpe, because there are women working in these industries, and we need their career stories to be known about by the other girls and ladies so they can inspire them to think, I could do that.